Welcome to the SQL for Beginners course. In this playlist, you're gonna see the different operations with the SQL language. First, in this part, we are gonna have the basic introduction to the SQL, what is the SQL stands for, and what we are going to see throughout this playlist. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Through the SQL, we can interact with the databases, particularly with the relational databases, because we have the tabular form and we are interacting doing the different operations queries with the relational databases. There are different SQL management systems that are open source or premium, so you need to pay for them. Among those which are open sources, there is MySQL that we are going to use in this tutorial, and there is also PostgreSQL that we are not going to see, but the syntax is more or less the same throughout all dialects of the SQL. So if you now want using one, you can extend your knowledge to other systems too. The first part of the tutorial is going to be about how to download the MySQL to your computer. And the second part, we are going to see how to import the datasets on your database on the MySQL. I'm going to share with you the free of charge exercise datasets that I'm going to upload on the Kaggle, where you can download them and import to your working environment. On the third part, we are going to learn how to use the selection queries. Fourth part is going to be about where query to filter the query, filter the parts of the query and get the filtered results. Fifth part is about ordering the results by the column. Sixth part is grouping by one variable the results. Then we are going to see how to use the aggregation functions with the group by. After what, we are going to see how to alter the dataset, the table. Particularly, we are going to see how to rename the name of the column. The ninth part is an interesting part because we're going to see the having query. And we're gonna see what's the difference between having and where query. And the last part, the 10th part, is going to be about the join functions. We're gonna see the inner join and left join and what are the cases that you need to use these queries in the syntax. So follow, subscribe, and learn about the SQL. In the future, we are gonna launch different lectures about Python and about other programming languages too.